Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build a Power BI KPI dashboard. First, start by giving your dashboard a clear title so everyone knows what it's about. Open Power BI Desktop and connect to your data source like Excel, SQL, or SharePoint. Clean and transform your data using Power Query by removing unnecessary columns, filtering rows, and checking data types. Next, create measures and calculated columns for your key metrics, like revenue, profit margin, or customer growth. Add visuals to your canvas using cards for main KPIs, bar charts for comparisons, and line charts for trends. You can also use gauges or KPI visuals to show performance against targets. Arrange your visuals in a clear layout and add slicers or filters so users can drill down by time, region, or product. Format your visuals consistently, add data labels, and make sure each chart has a title. Test everything to make sure filters and visuals work correctly. Finally, save your dashboard, publish it to Power BI Service, and share it with your team so they can monitor the KPIs in real time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial.